Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In today's video, I will be giving the demo of how can we create a hyperlink using the custom column in the table widget and can also pass the row value as a filter. So let's get started. Now here you can see I have a dashboard which is my source dashboard and where I have created a custom column and also added a hyperlink to it. So when I click on USA, you'll be able to see that I am being redirected to the target dashboard. Now this target dashboard you can create by referring to my another video for which the link I'll be giving in the description below. So here you can see that we are being redirected to the target dashboard where you can see the filter data for USA. Same way if I click on Germany, you'll be again redirected to the target dashboard where you can see the filter data for Germany. Now, how can we achieve this? I'll be showing you from the very beginning in detail in this video. So let's get started. Now, this error normally comes up due to security reasons when you open two tabs simultaneously. In such a case, you can open a new tab and log in the application again and go to the dashboard where we were working like this. So now I'll show you how can we create the hyperlink from the beginning. So first of all, we'll go to the table component of the widget panel. Now here I'll be selecting dataset as sales.cds. Then I'll click on the dataset column. So here I'll be clicking on product line and year. You can select other column as well as per your own requirement. And then I'll click on the custom column in the bottom. And here I'll click on add new and I'll give a suitable name to the custom column. Like here I'm giving it the name of country. So display name will also be country and all column also I'll be selecting country. Now in the expression box, I'll click on this open code layout and in the type, I'll be selecting it as hyperlink. You can select other options as well, but here I'm selecting hyperlink. And once I click on hyperlink, this link comes up, which I will be removing and adding my script, which I have saved over here like this. And you'll see that this script, we have the company website over here. And this script I'll be giving you in the description below. And I'll click on save, add, save and exit, and I'll save it in the dashboard and go to the preview mode. Now once I do this, I'll be clicking on the country USA and you'll see when I click on country USA, you are being redirected to the company's website. And same way when I click on Germany, you are again being redirected to the company's website, which means we have successfully added the hyperlink of the company's website to this custom column. So now I'll show you how can we add the hyperlink of a target dashboard to this custom column. For that, we'll again go to the edit option of the table widget. We'll go to the custom column option in the bottom and we'll be clicking on this open code layout in the expression feature. And here we'll remove this company website link. And now we'll be adding the embed link of the target dashboard. So the script will use the embed link of the target dashboard. And how can we generate that embed link? That I'll show you. For that, again, we'll be opening up a new tab and logging in the application once again. And we'll open the target dashboard. And we'll go to the edit option and we'll click on embed. Now, as I already said, this target dashboard you can create by referring to my another video for which I'll be giving for link of which I'll be giving in the description below. Now I'll click on generate here and you'll see that we have successfully generated the embed link. And once I do that, here we have the external embed. I'll be copying this link and pasting it in the source dashboard over here like this. And once I do this, I'll click on save, add, save and exit, save it in the dashboard, go to the preview mode. So now I'll see when I click on USA, I am being redirected to the target dashboard where I can see the data for all the countries. Same way if I click on Germany, I'm again being redirected to the target dashboard where I can see the data of all the countries. And in my last and final step, I'll be showing you how can we map the country name with the dashboard so that it can filter the dashboard data with the selected country. So let's get started. For that, we'll again go to the edit option. So now again the error has come up. So we'll be opening up a new tab and logging in the application again. like this, and we'll open the dashboard where we are working. So now again we'll go to the edit option of the dashboard, and then we'll go to the edit option of the table widget. And again we'll go to custom column, and we'll go to the expression box, we'll go to the open code layout, and a very small change we'll make is in the script we'll write true instead of false, and here country underscore, after the underscore we'll write open curly braces and country close curly braces. Again, product line underscore will write open curly braces product line close curly braces, and same thing we'll write for air as well, open curly braces air and close curly braces. Now these curly braces, they mean that it will use the filter value from the selected row. So once we make these changes, we'll click on save, and save and exit, save it in the dashboard, go to the preview mode. Now when you click on USA, you will see that you are being redirected to the target dashboard where you can see the filter data for USA based on the user selection. So since I selected USA in my source dashboard, you are able to see the filter data only for USA in my target dashboard. Like this, you have country USA, you have the product line which was sold in the year 2016. Same way, if I click on Germany, you'll be able to see the filter data for Germany in my target dashboard. Like this, you have the country, you have the product line and the year. So this is how we can create a hyperlink using the custom column in the table widget, and can also pass the row value as a filter. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe, and comment in the section below. If you have any specific queries, mail us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.